President George, FM. Features on the radio are, turn that down a little bit. Features on the radio are power, on and off, noise blanker, stroke automatic noise limiter, see only on AM, automatic squelch, which isn't actually on the front of this radio. It doesn't actually say automatic squelch, but has actually got automatic squelch. Turn it anti-clockwise all the way. Okay, so there's a noise blanker, automatic noise limiter, automatic squelch, dual colour, which turns it from a greeny yellow to a reddy yellow, high cut, high cut. Okay, channel up and down. Channel up and down on the microphone top. And 16 memory channels, 4x4. Scan of those 16 memory channels. Echo, which is appalling. Let's just have a little test. Let's go to FM. Is FM.
Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3.
That's the echo, which is absolutely ridiculous. Beep, which sounds like this. So it's a nice little rounded off beep there. Also, when you press beep on there, it brings in beep on every time you hit the keys, which isn't too annoying, to be honest. It's quite a soft beep. Meter, which switches the meter between signal. Sorry, not signal. It switches the meter on TX between RF power and, I can't do it with one hand, RF power. There we go. Modulation and SWR, calibrate with this knob here. Okay, so that's the meter. Put it back to signal stroke RF. Right, okay, next button, select, switches the gap between the channels to 5 kHz instead of 10 kHz. Also, you get the alpha channels, and you can see when you're on a channel, it doesn't display the channel when you're halfway between the channel. And if it's an alpha channel, I can't remember the alpha channels, 11, yeah. If it's an alpha channel, then with the selecting, as normal, it'll go 10, 11, 12. But if you press select, it'll go 10, 8, 8, 5, 9, 0, 9, 5, 1, 0, 0, then to 12. That's the alpha channels. Okay, actually I prefer the green. There you go. So that's the alpha channels to get select and to get the splits, of course. These channels here, program is the memory channels. Mode is obviously the mode. Hold it down to get LSB, USB. Hold it down to go back to AM or FM. Channels at the top. Dimmer doesn't do anything. It dims when it's in full UK, not UK 40, full CEPT mode. But when it's in export mode like this, it goes between the bands. So C is mid block. D, E, I think goes up to F, yeah, F. Okay, channel 19 goes to channel 19. That's pretty self-explanatory. On mid block, on AM as well. So it switches the mode, it switches the block, it switches everything to get to channel 19 AM mid block. So it's pretty useless if you're in the UK. Okay, we've got RF gain and mic gain on a dual knob there. It's very small, very twiddly. Clarifier, that's just the clarifier. It's about 2 kHz, I think, either side, on the RX only. RF power is the RF power. SWR calibrate, that's for the SWR meter. Squelch is just the squelch, the automatic squelch at the bottom left. Volume's the volume. Okay, now just have a quick look at the power output now. Okay, let's go to mid-block. Oh, sorry, what does it cover? It goes down, let's turn the beep off. It goes down to 26065, which is what you'd call double low, number one below low block, A. And then it goes all the way. If you hold dimmer down, it goes down a band. If you press dimmer once, it goes up a band. So we're looking at band F to get the maximum frequency, which is, with the select button in, would go to 28760. Okay, which is what you call triple high, I suppose, the 10 meter band. Okay, now to the power output. Let's go to 20 mid block. So C, select off 20 mid block, and let's go to the dummy load. Okay, back with the dummy load. Okay, we'll start with FM. FM, okay? This is FM on a dead key. Obviously doesn't move. 10 watts. And that will go down all the way to, let me just turn this radio off. That will go all the way down to RF power, all the way down. Put it on the 2 watt scale. That goes to just above half a watt. It's only on a dummy load at the moment, so there you go. Okay, so that's 0.5, just over 0.5 to 10 watts on FM. On AM, back on the 20 watt scale, AM, 14 watt dead key. Okay, AM, 14 watt dead key. About 22 watts, 14 to 21, something like that on AM, and all the way down with the RF power. Let's take it all the way. It doesn't swing very much, 0.6 watts to about 0.7. Okay, so that's that. The RF power, the variable RF power doesn't work on USB and LSB. You wouldn't really expect it to. Okay, let's see what that can do on 200 watt scale. 30 watts, and your LSB's the same. Just above 30 watts. Now, these radios are supposed to do between 10 watts AM FM with a 20 watt FM AM swing, and 20 watts on USB and LSB, so it's set a little bit high at the moment, but they will actually do, if they're all the way flat out, they will actually do to 50 watts on sideband and about the same on AM and about 35, 40 on FM with the VR all the way open. Okay, thanks for watching.